Hi there, in this edition of Tutorial Tuesday, I am going to teach you how you can automatically generate subtitles for your video. If you watch to the end, you will see this application that you would no longer need to manually generate subtitles or manually edit subtitles into your video. But you will see how you can generate automatically subtitles to your video, and also how you can copy the .srt or TTT format of the subtitle when you want to upload it on YouTube or any other device that will require you to add the subtitle of that video separately. Keep watching. The wonderful thing about this application is it's cloud-based. That means you don't need to download the application into your phone and even consuming more space. You only use the app using your Chrome browser or any browser that you use. Also, you can use this application either with your iPhone, Android, or with a laptop, and all of them is super awesome. You know that voice synthesizer feature of FL Studio when editing a sound with your laptop, right? Yeah. Now in this video, I am going to teach you how you can convert text to speech or to voice using your smartphone, or how you can synthesize voice in any language of your choice using your smartphone. In the desktop version of Typestudio, more features were actually added, like where you can see the videos that you formerly edited, and also you can export the subtitle in type SRT or type TTT depending on what you require. And also you can see that in the desktop version that you can see the subtitle in one part and then the video in one part, so you can easily edit the text or edit the video. So this is actually an awesome application you should try out. If you do not want to use the desktop version with a laptop, you can actually turn your Chrome browser or any browser to desktop mode, and you can see get all those features that you'd have gotten if you were using the application on a computer. To get the best of Typestudio, I would advise that you get the pro version of this application now that the developers are giving it for $14 monthly if you would subscribe for a whole year, or you would have to get it at $18 if you're going to subscribe on monthly basis.